The equation of a circle is given as 7x² plus 7y² plus 14x minus 56y plus 49 to be equal to 0. Find the radius of the circle. The standard form of the equation of a circle is given as x minus h all squared plus y minus k squared to be equal to r squared. The value of r is what we need in this question. So we're given 7x² plus 7y² plus 14x minus 56y plus 49 to be equal to 0. Looking at all these numbers, they are all divisible by 7. So the first thing I'm going to do is to divide through by 7. Divide through by 7. So we have x² plus y² plus 2x minus 8x is equal 8y. I'm moving 49 to the other side, equal to minus 7 minus 7. I've divided through by 7 and moved the constant to the other side of the equation. Now all the variables that have x, I'll bring them together. So I have x² plus 2x, then plus y² minus 8y to be equal to minus 7. I want this equation to look like the standard form, so I'm going to complete the square. I'm going to add half of the coefficient of x and half of the coefficient of y to both sides. The coefficient of x is 2 and half of it is 1. So I add 1 squared to both sides. So I'm going to have x² plus 2x plus 1 squared plus, now let's check for y. We have y squared, the coefficient of y is minus 8, so half of it is minus 4. So we have y² minus 8y plus minus 4 all squared to be equal to minus 7. I added 1 squared, so plus 1 squared plus minus 4 squared. So what I did to my left hand side was done to the right hand side. So let's factorize the x. We have x plus 1 all squared plus y minus 4 all squared to give minus 7 plus 1 plus minus 4 squared is 16. So I have x plus 1 all squared plus y minus 4 all squared to give minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 16 is 10. Therefore, r² is equal to 10. So r is the square root of 10.